EJ.
What's going on,
Oh
Sean?
my gosh. Double header tonight.
Double header.
Double header.
And guess what?
What?
Tied the first game, 1-1.
That was epic, by the way. You are responsible for that tie.
I kind of am. I was on first base. I was like, I gotta take this one for the team. I didn't pay attention to my base coach. Just slid into home. And
you were like, Austin, hold the call. I'm running home.
I even lost my knee brace sliding. The guy was kind of blocking the base. So.
Well, yeah, he went down too.
Yeah.
He wasn't happy about that. First game, 1-1.
1-1 tie.
Tied up. What does that mean for the rest of the season for standings? What do we got to do?
We need an actual win. We do have some points, but we need an actual one in the win column.
Because we're currently leading bar points right now. Number one in bar points. So we got something to brag about.
Waldo's #1.
Okay, so now we fast forward to second game.
Second game.
You've got me working like crazy as the catcher over here.
You know what? You're my new shining star.
I don't. I don't know about shining star. I think I have a little bit to learn. I want to keep playing catcher, to be honest with you.
You know what? You're doing a great job. I want to keep you at catcher, keep Mark at crasher. We have some great catches.
We had Melanie with a ball stop and a catch. We had Janine with two
on the run.
Right. No kidding. She was like, I got it.
I got
done.
it. Back
work.
Off. And but yeah, it was very. We can pull lots of positives from the game. So even though we do have a loss in the second game, doesn't matter because we pulled those positives and we're already 100% better than we've done so far.
So we say every video, now we're headed to the bar.
Heading to the bar.
We're going to do some work.
I don't have any updates because we kind of ended late, but we have 2 games tonight. So hopefully we can represent, keep that #1 first place standings in the bar standings.
That's right. So it's double the win at Flip Cup.
Ready to handle this?
Let's do this.
All right.
All right.
Waldo's.